800-year-old Hindu shrine at center of Thailand-Cambodia clash, 10 points on Tha Mon Shiva Temple. Built as a Hindu shrine, Tha Mon Temple, also known as Prasad Tha Mon Tom, was dedicated to Shiva as the supreme deity. It is believed to have been constructed around the 12th century. Conflict has broken out between Thailand and Cambodia over a disputed territory along their border that either country claims as its own. The area is culturally important to both the countries and houses an ancient Hindu temple that is reportedly 800 years old and houses a Shiva Lingam. On Wednesday, Thai and Cambodian soldiers exchanged gunfire, in which a Cambodian soldier was killed. A day later, Cambodia's Prime Minister Hun Manet called for calm in the country, assuring that he does not want a conflict between Cambodian and Thai forces. Although this has been a long-running dispute between the two countries, it was recently reignited after a group of Cambodian soldiers visited the temple area in February and began to sing their national anthem, Bangkok Post reported. A Thai soldier takes pictures of Cambodian people visiting the disputed ancient Khmer temple Prasad Tha Mon Tom, or Prasad Tha Mon Tom in Khmer, on the Cambodian-Thai border in Odar Myeongchai province on March 26. Here's a breakdown on why the two Southeast Asian countries are closing over a 12th century Hindu temple complex. Cambodia's Tha Mon Temple, also known as Prasad Tha Mon Tom, is an ancient Khmer temple located directly on the disputed border between Cambodia's Odar Myeongchai province and Thailand's Surin province. Its location in the Dangrek Mountains has been a consistent source of tension between the two nations. Khmer temples are magnificent architectural structures built by the Khmer people during the Khmer Empire, which flourished from the 9th to the 15th centuries in Southeast Asia, primarily in present-day Cambodia. The most famous example is Angkor Wat. Built as a Hindu shrine, it was dedicated to Shiva as the supreme deity. It is believed to have been constructed around the 12th century, making it older than its two companion temples, Prasad Tha Muin and Prasad Tha Muin Tot. Inside its principal chamber, a natural Shiva Lingam was discovered, indicating its importance as a sacred site for worship. Cambodian soldiers guard the disputed ancient Khmer temple Prasad Tha Muin Tom, or Prasad Tha Mon Tom in Khmer, on the Cambodian-Thai border in Odar Myeongchai province on March 26. The Hindu temple is the largest of the three temples in its immediate area. It sits on one of the passes through the Dangrek Mountains, a strat